Forget bone broth. Plant-based foods that heal. Joints and gut, naturally. Bone broth is often praised as the ultimate remedy for gut health and joint pain. But here's the truth. You don't need animal bones to heal your body. In today's video, I'll share powerful plant-based and whole food alternatives that protect your gut, rebuild collagen naturally, and ease joint pain without a single drop of bone broth. Sarcopenia, arthritis, leaky gut. These are becoming more common as we age. Most people turn to bone broth thinking it's the magic cure, but studies show that you can get the same or even better benefits from plant-based and nutrient-rich foods. Plant-based broth alternatives. Wakame seaweed, rich in omega-3s, minerals, and prebiotics for gut flora. Shiitake mushrooms, contain amino acids, vitamin D, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Turmeric, fights inflammation, supports joint recovery. Coconut or olive oil, adds healthy fats for absorption. Leafy greens, spinach, kale. High in fiber, vitamin C, magnesium for gut healing. Together, these make a powerful gut-healing broth, better for vegans, lighter on digestion, and free from animal products. Foods for joint health. Vitamin C-rich fruits, oranges, berries, apples, essential for collagen synthesis. Calcium-rich dairy or fortified foods, protect bones and joints. Whole grains, fight inflammation, provide long-lasting energy. Eggs, great for vitamin D and protein, flexitarian option. Olive oil, anti-inflammatory fat that protects cartilage. Legumes, lentils, beans, plant protein, plus anthocyanins for reducing joint stiffness. Supplements and fermented foods, vegan collagen boosters with vitamin C plus plant amino acids. Probiotics, kombucha, sauerkraut, miso, kimchi, restore gut balance. Herbs and spices, ginger, garlic, turmeric, reduce inflammation naturally. You don't need bone broth to protect your joints or heal your gut. By combining these plant-based broths, whole foods, and natural supplements, you can get the same results without relying on animal products. Try making your own vegan broth this week and let me know how you feel. Don't forget to subscribe MAFHH Roots for more natural health tips. Remember, the key to health isn't in any single food, but in a diverse, balanced diet. It's about making sustainable choices that nourish both our bodies and our planet. Embrace the colors, the textures, and the flavors each day. Challenge yourself to add something new and see the change it brings to your well-being. We'll be exploring even more tips and recipes, so keep watching, stay curious, and let's continue this journey to better health together. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.